Welcome to the Law Office of Brian Fagan podcast. Today, we are analyzing the reality of financial support in Richmond, Texas. Many people entering the divorce fear writing endless monthly checks, or alternatively, losing their financial footing after a long marriage. But despite what you see in movies, traditional permanent alimony does not exist in Texas. The first option for support is contractual alimony. This is a voluntary, flexible financial agreement negotiated privately between spouses during a settlement. You and your partner decide the terms based on your specific needs. Spousal maintenance is different. This is court-ordered support. It is governed entirely by the rules of the Texas Family Code, and the judge must follow those statutes exactly. Confusing a private contract with a state-mandated order creates significant problems. If your planning assumes one when the law requires the other, you may find yourself without the enforcement tools required for post-divorce survival in Richmond. A Fort Bend County judge evaluates a claim for support using a step-by-step legal funnel. You must meet specific criteria before the court even considers the amount. The first requirement is proving that even after your property is divided, you lack the assets to meet your minimum reasonable needs. This covers essentials like housing, utilities, and basic transportation, rather than the lifestyle you maintained while married. For most claimants, the 10-year rule applies. If the marriage lasted at least 10 years and you still cannot earn sufficient income, the court moves the claim to the next stage. There is a way to bypass the duration requirement. If your spouse was convicted of family violence within 2 years of the divorce filing or during the case itself, the law routes you around the 10-year rule. The final pathways involve a severe physical or mental disability of the spouse, or the spouse's role as the primary caregiver for a disabled child from the marriage who requires substantial supervision. If you have questions about your eligibility for support in Richmond, visit brianfagan.com or call our office to schedule a confidential consultation. Failing to meet these rigid statutory requirements results in an automatic denial of support. In the eyes of the court, the high income of a paying spouse is irrelevant if the requesting spouse doesn't clear the funnel. Once eligibility is confirmed, the court turns to the math. There are strict limits on the size of the checks and how long the support continues. Texas caps maintenance at the lower of $5,000 a month or $20,000. These limits do not apply in cases involving severe disabilities. In those specific circumstances, a judge can order support to continue indefinitely. Texas law treats spousal support as a bridge toward financial independence. These mathematical caps and duration limits ensure the payments eventually end, regardless of the recipient's previous standard of living. The final divorce decree is not always the end of the legal process. Financial obligations can shift over time as your life evolves. You can petition the court to modify a maintenance order, but you must prove a material and substantial change in circumstances has occurred since the original decree. This typically means events like a job loss, a significant medical diagnosis, or the recipient's spouse living with a new romantic partner on a permanent basis. If a spouse refuses to pay, the judge has powerful enforcement tools. The court can order wage withholding or even hold the non-paying spouse in contempt, which can lead to jail time. Private contractual alimony agreements do not have these same courtroom protections. They are enforced through standard civil contract law, which does not allow for jail time as a remedy for non-payment. Because of these complex income calculations and evidentiary requirements, navigating the Texas Family Code without an experienced Fort Bend County family law attorney often leads to costly financial errors. Securing your financial future requires a deep understanding of your exact position under the law. Thank you for listening to the Law Office of Brian Fagan podcast. Subscribe for more insights, visit our website, or call 281-810-9760 to discuss your case today.